So today we're in our mesh department. As you guys either buy from us or follow us know, we make pretty much the entire product ourselves, including the mesh. So this is where we make our welded wire mesh at. And just to kind of display how we're trying to have the paradigm from the ground all the way up to the top, that we're a lean factory and we care about being a visual factory. So we're getting our teams involved as well. So the guys that actually run this process came up with this. And they've got a color-coded system to set their wire length. And I'll show you what I mean. So initially, when we brought these machines in and we wanted to run some wire off, we'd have to determine how long that wire needed to be. We'd insert what's called a stop wire. And that stop wire we'd put in, we'd measure, and then we'd run a piece, measure it. If it's right, we'd leave it alone. If it wasn't, then we'd pull it out or push it in, pull it out, push it in, pull it. And sometimes it would take you 15, 20, 25 pieces to get it set just right. So what the team did is, they ordered these wires and they color coded them. They figured out what are our stock sizes, what do we run the most of, and they have a wire for each size they run. So now all they do is if they're gonna run a 10-foot wire, they pull the yellow one out, they have a stop on it right here, they slide it in until it hits a stop, and now they know they're gonna put off 10-foot wire right here. So they got it color coded, they get their stops in place, now there's no thinking involved, no measuring involved, and you get a good piece first time.